Thank you for your interest in Construction Attachments products. Today we are showing you the Hookup, our patented skid steer universal adapter for excavators up to 20,000 pounds. The Hookup weighs in at 252 pounds and allows excavators to attach to a variety of attachments using the Universal Skid Steer Hitch. General purpose buckets, root rakes, skeleton buckets, stump buckets, pallet forks, bell spears, boom poles, tree booms, trailer relocators, and manual snow blades, to name a few. The Hookup is made from ASTM A36 structural steel and incorporates the standard 2-pin universal skid steer latching system. The pins are flame hardened for long life and have greasable zerk fittings. The Hookup host hitch can be unbolted from the skid steer attachment, rotated 180 degrees, allowing the attachment to be used for other applications, such as back grading, back hauling, back filling, hill scraping, digging, trenching, loading, excavating, and more. Construction Attachments' patented extreme duty skid steer universal adapter, the Hookup, is fully assembled and shipped direct from the factory and ready to work. For more premium quality attachments, please visit us on the web at www.constructionattachments.com. Give us a call at 828-758-2674. A qualified specialist will be happy to assist you.